Hey everyone, it's Theresa Rowe with Shaped by Faith Ministry, and I wanted to talk to you today about the importance, let me get these gloves on, of warming up the muscles before you do anything outside. And so today I am going to put some flowers in some pots that I have outdoors. I'm not the best gardener, but I do like flowers around my house because it makes me happy. So some things that we need to know is you're going to be doing a lot of squatting, picking things up, putting these little babies, beautiful little babies, into the potting soil. So you want to make sure your muscles are warmed up. Does that make sense? So kind of imitate the moves that you're going to do as you go ahead and put these in the potting soil. So you want to do some squats. You want to do some, maybe touch your toes, reach way up over the head. Maybe you want to do some pivot turns, just side to side. Okay, just think of your major muscles that you're going to be using. Obviously your legs and your upper body, but also use your core, navel to the spine. So that's just a few gardening tips from someone who's really not a gardener who likes flowers. All right, everyone have a great day. Bye.